Welcome back. I found an article full of animal facts that I thought would be kind of fun to share. 101 animal facts that will blow your mind. So make sure that your minds are ready to be blown. Make sure you're in a good place in your head. Viewer discretion is advised. Fact number 1. Flamingos aren't pink. You thought they were pink? They're not. They're born gray. And their diet of brine shrimp and blue-green algae contains a natural pink dye called canthaxanthin that makes their feathers pink. So they are pink. So this fact is a little bit, I don't know if my mind is blown. My mind is blown because you lied to me. You said flamingos aren't pink, but then at the end you said they are pink. So maybe they're not always pink. They don't start pink. They're not naturally pink, but then they eat food that makes them pink. So they are naturally pink. Fact number 2. Otters, when they're sleeping, so they don't float away from each other, they hold hands. No, they don't. Oh, that is cute. That's not really an amazing fact. It is pretty adorable. But also, you're kind of setting up kind of a 2-for-1 deal for gators or whatever predators otters have. I'm not sure. Dinosaurs. I'm not sure what eats otters, but you could sleep anywhere else. No one told you had to sleep in the water. Is that really the safest spot? You're just going to be like a sitting duck. A duck could sit on you. Nothing impressive. I have hands. I can do hand holding. Fact number 3. Hummingbirds are the only known birds that can fly backwards. So it's cool hummingbirds have that reputation. I've never seen a hummingbird fly backwards. I don't know how you would tell. Little tiny reverse lights. A little boop 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 boop. Not really sure. But that's good for hummingbirds. It's probably better for when they're trying to parallel park their bird bodies. Fact number 4. Dolphins use toxic pufferfish to get high. Here's a video of that. That's pretty cool. I love it when animals get high. It makes me feel like less of an ad. Is that a bad way to justify your addictions? Being like, if dolphins do it, like dolphins seem like they have it made in the shade. All they have to do is swim around, jump out of the water, be admired, be in movies. Flipper. So if they're doing drugs, like, of course I'm gonna be doing drugs. I can barely swim. Pretty much the same effect on humans as it does on dolphins. So it blocks sodium channels in your nervous system, so that your body and brain can't communicate, and your body will go numb, starting your extremities. I like having numb body parts. So it's more toxic than maybe the high is worth. So humans, just stick to fentanyl. Don't fuck around with pufferfish. Friends don't let friends fuck around with pufferfish. This animal fact seems more like a bit of a humble brag. So number 5. The inland taipan, known as the western taipan, is the most venomous snake in the world. It says a single bite contains enough venom to kill at least 100 fully grown men and can kill within just 30 minutes if left untreated. So it has the strength to kill at least 100 fully grown men. Imagine what it could do to someone who's only half built. That's 200 half developed men. But it doesn't say how many women they can kill. So if you're a woman, I wouldn't worry about these snakes. There's no data on that. So cool, snake, you can kill. Are you gonna kill a bunch of men? Why don't you put your money where your mouth is? The last fact I'll read is there are 1.4 billion insects for each human on the planet, according to recent estimates. So each of us gets 1.4 billion insects. That's like universal basic insects. So that's good to know. So I've killed, quite a few spiders and ants probably in my day, even by accident, just walking around. So I don't feel so bad if I know they were mine. I don't know how you know which ones are yours. Maybe they have little names on them. I've never checked for serial numbers or anything, but next time. So that's some animal facts. Did we learn anything? I don't know. Was it fun? Yeah, I guess. If you like this video, that's cool, that's nice. You can like it with a like, you can subscribe it with hitting that button. Hit the bell if that's what you're into. Otherwise, I'll just whatever. See ya.